Let's switch your avatar to R15 so you can play emotes in Roblox. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer, works the exact same. Now from here, we need to customize your avatar. And you'll be able to see on your avatar, if it's R6, that means there are 6 components that you can customize. And you need to switch over to R15, giving you 15 different components on your avatar to customize. To be able to do that, if you start off at characters, we need to switch over to the head and body. And you can see all the way over is your build option. So you can see I can tap on build and it says update your body to R15 and I can hit switch. Now keep in mind, if you don't see that at the very bottom, it says R6 or R15. So of course you can go from R6, just tap on R15 here, and you'll be able to see now you can customize the head size, you can customize the body shape, and then you can also customize the body width and the length, all of those different things. And now you can play emotes.